Yeah, let me quickly show to you how you can do the bypass of your Itel P36. It's very simple. In a few minutes, you can get your phone back to normal operating system. Let's go. Just follow my step. It's gonna get it very well. So click on English, skip, press skip. Then please while you are connected to hotspot, make sure that you connect to the hotspot that is very close to you so that you know the hotspot will not be frustrating, your Wi-Fi will not be frustrating. So you click on Wi-Fi, that's the first thing. So just follow my step, it's very simple. So let's connect it. Connecting. Now what you just need when you come to this place, you press on don't skip. You press on don't skip. Press it. You press on don't skip. Please always take note of this place. Understand? So this is lock with a lock on pattern. This is the pattern. You see it? It's lock pattern. Understand? This is pattern. So take note of the what's it called? What's the person use? Maybe is a pin or pattern or the mixture. So the owner use only pattern. Understand? So let's go back. Let's follow my step. It's very simple. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. So what you just need here, press this emergency call. Press on emergency call. So emergency information, press on it like this. So now in this place you will need SIM card. You insert your SIM card. Make sure that the SIM card that you are inserting is what is have at least 1 or 2 contacts inside. So let me insert the SIM card to the SIM tray. Understand? It's very important too. So as you can see the signal. So the signal has already appeared. So you can see the signal here is appeared. So you click on this this biro, this biro sign. You click on it, this biro sign. You click on it, then you come to add contacts. Click on add contacts. So allow. Press again. Now, sometimes it might, even though if you have contact there, sometimes it might bring not no contact. Understand? What you just need to do, you come to this search bar. If you come across search, you just come to the search bar and press A and search. Understand? But this one it appear quickly. But sometimes if you have because I've done so many of these things that they appear as non contact is inside the scene. Understand? But once you come across search, what you just need to do, just follow my step. Understand? What you just need to do, you press A and you search, it will bring all your contacts out. Understand? So now it has already bring this one. Then you press on the contact. Once you press on the contact, it will bring you to this place. Then you press what? You press any of the contacts here. The one that I already pressed. Then you come to, let me press on this side. It will bring you here. Then you come right, look at your right upside here. Your right upside, this angle here, you see 3 points appear here horizontally. Then you come to share. You press here. You press here. Once you press here, this will appear. Then you press on this TXT reader. TXT reader phonics. Press on it. So it will bring you to this. Then you press on agree and start. Agree and start. When it comes to this page, don't worry. Come back here. Redo. Don't worry, it will go. It will go. You redo it. Once you come like that, you redo it. It will go. Don't worry. That's how they normally do them. They won't stop sometime. Let's redo. Share. Understand? So you can see it. Then you are able to open file. Open with cancel. Press cancel here. Once you press the cancel, then you come to search bar and type google.com google.com. Just follow my step. It's very simple. Within 2 minutes or 5 minutes, it will be okay. Then you search. You can press this or this side. Anyone will still the same thing. You search. So once you come to this Google search bar, then you press FRP files dot com slash, see is appear here, frp5.com slash bypass. Just click on it. So once it take you to this place, once you bring you here, then you click on this first side, this first right up here, bypass Google account FRP lock or fire. Just click on it. Understand? Just follow my step. Very simple. Then you come down, open. Then you press on this set lock screen, the first one, set lock screen. You press on it. You click on it. So once you bring it here, remember what the owner use is pattern, not pin, not password. Understand? It's pattern. So you also, once you come to this page, what the owner use, what you're going to use. Understand? Not the pin and the, because if you use something that's different, it will not work out. So you press on pattern because the owner use pattern. Understand? Just press any pattern that we quickly remember, like this one. You next it like this, then like this one. You next it, you confirm it like this. Understand? Once you bring it to this place, then once you bring it to, you can reset your screen. This so. Understand? You don't need to write anything here. Just come back here. So it will, once you press back, it will bring you to this place. Then you write yes and in. So got set. Understand? So then let's come back. Let's go back. Press back. Let's go back. You begin to press back. Understand? You're going to press back. Let's go back. Then your preferred language, which is English, United States. Anyone that you understand? Then just follow my step, please. It's very simple. Please, this is my new account. Please help me subscribe, like, and comment. Please help me. So then this place you press don't copy anything. Don't copy. Just all that you need, just make sure that you use our strong Wi-Fi. Understand? So remember the one that we use when we are unlocking it there is L. Press L. Understand? Once you press L once. So then you will press skip. Press skip. Press skip. So you move it up like this. Then accept. you have any, like, if you want to use your face, your stuff, so understand, don't. I don't need that. This one is going to do that. You skip away. Skip it away. So you agree. As all these ones is click, then you agree. Then you choose your country. You choose your country. You choose your country. You see your preferred country. This is your country. I'm Nigeria. I'm from Nigeria. So you next it. So the phone is back to life. The phone is what? Is back to life. You can see. Now the phone is back to life. So the phone is back to life. Please don't forget to help me share, like, subscribe to help my channel to grow. Thank you very much. God bless you.